Hey Jack, here with Two Brothers Adventures at the 2012 SHOT Show Media Day at the range. We're going to go the 1877 Gatling Gun, 70, and it's here in Colt booth. Nice enough to bring that in and let us go check it out.
77 Gatling Gun, 45-70 caliber. We're going to crank it clockwise. That's just a nice moderate pace. Gun sighted in down to range, so they're basically it's locked in.
Okay.
When the gun runs out, just give it one rotation backwards. That's a safety chamber check. To make sure that there's no. Okay, you're ready to go.